Another Saturday morning here at Coombabah on the Gold Coast. I'm currently walking to get my trail camera, which I put in the bush just down here a bit, and hopefully I'll capture some footage. Well, it has, because I've left it here for 2 weeks. So interesting to see what it does capture. Crews are out this morning. Yeah, it's quite chilly morning this morning. Then we've got a jumper on. You wouldn't think so, being the Gold Coast, but it does get cold up here. But I hope everyone's having a great Saturday morning, wherever they are in the world.